Hello, my name is David Bird. I'm the Department Chair of Science here at Providence High School. At Providence, we have some fantastic science courses, and in part, that is due to our amazing science teachers. They are capable of some real extraordinary feats. Let me take a moment to introduce you to them. Now that you got a chance to meet the science faculty, let me talk to you a little bit about what we do. I'm here at the Cabrillo Tide Pools. This is just one of the locations that I bring my marine biology students. I bring them here so they can get a first-hand impression of the organisms that they learn about in the classroom. At Providence High School, we prioritize hands-on activities and real-world relevance. In order to be considered a lab science, you need to complete a minimum of 8 labs. At Providence High School, our lab sciences complete a minimum of 16 labs. We make sure that we double or go beyond double the amount of required labs because it's so important that students participate in science, that they touch and feel science, and that they see the real-world relevance in the things that they are doing. We care about application. This world needs scientists, and we're trying to encourage and promote that. At Providence High School, we have numerous science electives, and we have fantastic labs to go with them. We have a zoology lab that is packed full of exotic creatures. We have a biology lab equipped with compound microscopes and stereo dissecting microscopes. We have a chemistry lab that has all of the chemicals a mad scientist could ask for. We have a genetics lab where we teach the students blood typing and DNA sequencing. We have a med-focus room that is equipped with human anatomical models and everything an aspiring doctor could hope for. All of this while continually finding new approaches to teaching science. We hope to see you in our labs sometime soon. Until then, the Providence Science community says, stay inquisitive.